Level up your life. Turn your passion into profits in 2025. You guys, we are living in the digital age. It's insane. The internet has completely changed the game. It used to be that only celebrities and big companies had a brand. Now, you have the power to build your own personal brand, connect with millions of people, and yes, even turn your passions into serious cash. This isn't some get-rich-quick scheme, alright? This is about real value. You've got knowledge, you've got skills, you've got a unique perspective that the world needs to see. And in this video, I'm gonna break down 5 actionable strategies, 5 freaking plays that you can start using today to monetize your personal brand. We're talking digital products, brand deals, coaching, subscriptions, affiliate marketing, the whole 9 yards. Get ready to hustle because we're about to unlock your earning potential. Digital domination, turning knowledge into dollars. First up, let's talk about digital products, baby. This is where the real scalability is at. Think about it. What are you already a freaking expert in? What do people come to you for advice on? Maybe you're a fitness fanatic who can craft the perfect workout plan. Boom! Package that knowledge into an ebook or a downloadable guide. Or maybe you're a graphic designer with an eye for killer templates. Create those bad boys and sell them on your website. The beauty of digital products is that you create them once, and they can sell forever. It's passive income, baby. You're not trading time for money anymore, you're building an asset that works for you 24/7. And the best part? You get to provide massive value to your audience while you do it. They get the knowledge they need, and you get to build a real business around your expertise. Don't overthink this. Start small, test, iterate. The key is to get started and let the market tell you what works. Show me the money, landing those brand deals. Alright, let's talk about everyone's favorite brand deals. This is where things get really interesting. When you've built a strong personal brand and a loyal audience, brands will literally pay you to get their message in front of your people. But here's the catch, and I can't stress this enough, you have to be authentic. Don't just take every deal that comes your way. Only partner with brands that you genuinely believe in, brands that align with your values and resonate with your audience. When you're genuinely passionate about a product or service, it shows, and your audience is smart, they can smell BS from a mile away. They trust you, so recommend products you actually use and love. And don't be afraid to negotiate, alright? Know your worth. You've put in the work to build your influence, so don't undervalue yourself. Chapter 3. Coaching and Consulting. Sharing your expertise, one session at a time. Listen, some of you are natural-born leaders. You've got wisdom to share, and people are dying to learn from you. That's where coaching and consulting come in. This is about taking your knowledge to the next level and providing personalized guidance to individuals or small groups. Whether it's career coaching, fitness plans, social media strategy, whatever your zone of genius is, there are people out there who are willing to pay for your expertise. Think about it, you're not just giving advice, you're providing a roadmap to success. You're helping people achieve their goals faster and more effectively than they could on their own. That's powerful stuff. And the best part? Coaching and consulting can be incredibly rewarding, both financially and personally. You get to make a real impact on people's lives while building a successful business around your passion. Chapter 4. The Loyalty Playbook, Building a Tribe with Subscription Services. Let's talk about building a loyal following that pays off, literally. Subscription services are where it's at if you want to create recurring revenue and deepen your relationship with your most engaged fans. Platforms like Patreon, Substack, and even memberships on your own website allow you to offer exclusive content, community access, and a direct line to you in exchange for a monthly fee. Think about it. What kind of premium content would your audience be willing to pay for? Maybe it's monthly webinars, behind-the-scenes videos, exclusive Quanda sessions, or even just a sense of belonging to a community of like-minded individuals. The key here is to provide insane value. Give your subscribers something they can't get anywhere else. Make them feel like VIPs because they are. They are the ones who believe in you enough to invest in your journey, so show them some love. Chapter 5. Affiliate Marketing. Earn big by recommending stuff you love. Listen, we all have products and services we use and love, right? Why not get paid to share those recommendations with your audience? That's the beauty of affiliate marketing. It's simple. You find a product or service you believe in, sign up for their affiliate program, and then share your unique affiliate link with your audience. Every time someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. But here's the thing, and I can't stress this enough, only promote products you genuinely believe in. Your audience trusts you. Don't abuse that trust by pushing something just for a quick buck. Be authentic, be transparent, and always disclose your affiliate relationships. When you're honest and upfront with your audience, they'll appreciate your recommendations even more. Outro, no more excuses. Start building your empire today. There you have it, folks. 5 powerful ways to monetize your personal brand in 2025 and beyond. We talked about creating and selling digital products, landing those juicy brand deals, sharing your expertise through coaching and consulting, building a loyal tribe with subscriptions, and cashing in with affiliate marketing. The opportunities are endless, but here's the kicker. None of this matters if you don't take action. You can watch all the videos, read all the books, but until you actually start implementing these strategies, you're leaving money on the table. So what are you waiting for? Pick one of these strategies. Take that first step and start building the brand and the bank account of your dreams. I'm rooting for you.